Exercise 4e, question 10. We have to write 23 over 60 as a percentage. To change something into a percentage, we multiply by 100. And because we're multiplying by fractions, we multiply by 100 over 1. We can divide by 10, and then also divide through by 2 to get 5 and then 3. So this leaves us on the numerator. We would have 23 times 5 is 115, and that has to be divided by 3. So we do that at the side. 3 doesn't go into 1, so carry the 1 over. 3 goes into 11 3 times and 2 left over. 3 goes into 25 8 times, and then there's going to be a remainder. So there's going to be a remainder of 1. 3 goes into 10 3 times, 1 left over. 3 goes into 10 3 times, 1 left over, and so on. So your final answer, it has to be to one decimal place where necessary, is 38.3. Now the exact answer, doesn't ask for it, but the exact answer is 38.3 recurring as a decimal. But just make sure you answer what the question says. This one's 1 dp. Another question is question 14. So in question 14, we have 5/8. We have to multiply that by 100 to get it into a percentage. We can divide through by 4 if it's in twice, and if it's in 25 times. And then if we multiply the numerators, we get 125, and the denominators is 2. Half of, that's into percentage now. Should have written percentage for the last one as well. And that gives, well, half of 120 would be 60, and half of 5 is 2.5, so you get 62.5.